Hi. This is my arm. No, that was in the toilet. That fell in the toilet.
Kind of weird, wasn't it? Don't touch it.
Yeah, my friend's gonna come over. Like, what's up?
You're like, damn, girl, you've been out in the sun. Since you've been sticking your face out the window every now and then, it's got a little color to it, so you're okay.
This is weird.
Go look at it in the mirror. You don't have to, I guess. I guess you can see all the way around it. Come here, Mick. You're next.
That just looks gross.
Looks gross.
It looks like I don't know how to wash my arm.
It does. It looks dirty. Looks muddy. It looks muddy. I think you're supposed to wear it out and use it out in the sun.